Hello students, welcome to the class. In the previous class, we have discussed about the concept of preventive medicine, then communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases, etc. In this class, we are going to discuss about the concepts of epidemic, endemic, and pandemic. Infectious diseases are spread by either bacterial or viral agents and are ever present in society. Usually infected causes are present in numbers below an expected threshold, but vary once in a while. There may be an outbreak, a new strain, or a new disease that has a significant impact at either a local or a global level. The spread and rate of new cases can be classified into three types. First one is epidemic or endemic. First one is endemic. Endemic means describes a disease that is present permanently in a region or population. Endemic refers to the constant presence of a disease, infectious agent within a given geographical area or population group without importation from outside. Examples for endemic diseases: take for example Caribbean fever, Karnataka forest disease, etc. Then epidemic. What is the meaning of epidemic? An epidemic disease is affecting many persons at the same time and spreading from person to person in a locality where the disease is not permanently prevalent, which this definition is given by WHO. Epidemic is an outbreak that affects many people at one time and can spread through one or several communities. It may happen at once and spread over the communities. It not only confined to a particular community. Take for example, epidemic diseases are plague, chikungunya, cholera, etc. These are the epidemic diseases. Then what are the pandemic diseases? Pandemic is the term used to describe an epidemic when it is spread over the globe. Pandemic disease is an epidemic that has spread over the large area, that is, it is prevalent throughout the entire country, continent, or the whole world. Examples for pandemic diseases are HIV/AIDS, swine flu, and then H1N1, COVID-19, etc. Let us look on the derivation of endemic word. The endemic word is derived from the Greek en, meaning in the demos, meaning people. It is used to describe a disease that is present at an approximately constant level within society or a country. Each country may have a disease that is unique. For example, Karnataka forest disease. It's only confined to the particular region, that particularly in Chikmagaluru and Shivamogga. An epidemic is derived from the word epi, meaning upon or above, and demos, meaning people. As we already know, people describing a situation where a disease spreads rapidly to a large number of people in a given population over a short period of time. This is called epidemic. The term epidemic is not just used with infectious diseases, it is also used with any scenario that leads to a determinantal rise of health risk within a society. For example, this rise of obesity, diabetes mellitus, these are the examples for high body mass index. These are the examples for epidemic diseases. What is the pandemic? Pandemic means, pandemic, the word is derived from Greek word pan, meaning all, and demos, meaning people. and is the term used for describing the rapid spread of a disease which is very infectious and communicable disease over several continents or worldwide. Once an epidemic becomes global and affects a large number of people, it may be called as pandemic disease. Epidemic means a disease which may occur timely in a given period of time and spread over a community or infectious to the another community also. When it become rampant all over the world, it is called as pandemic disease. Endemic disease is only confined to the geographical area or a particular community. For example, forest, Karnataka forest disease. Pandemic, for example, pandemic affects whole world geographical area, often the globe, infects a very large number of people, often caused by a new virus or a new strain of virus that has been dormant for many years. For example, Corona-19 virus has been invented in 100 years ago, but when 2019, it may happen in China, one of the city of China, Wuhan. It spread all over the world. It may dormant stage in for over 100 years. These called pandemic diseases can cause high number of deaths. Because of this, need to control spread over the disease of pandemic. Epidemic may be become as pandemic disease while it is not, while it's uncontrollable. Endemic disease is only confined to the particular community. Hope you understood properly. There is a difference between endemic disease, pandemic disease and epidemic. Epidemic disease may become as a pandemic, but endemic disease is only confined to the particular community or a given geographical area. Thank you for listening.